Boom. Welcome, Boom. Boom, I know this is a very strange moment. Medyo kinakabahan ng lahat dito kung ano mangyayari. Pero we just want the best for everyone. So, okay lang ba na pumasok kayo doon at mag-usap-usap? Ayan si Bestie, si Vice. Pwede? Okay lang? O sige, Boom. Punta ka na doon.
And all other people with nothing to do, nothing to lose, and it's you and me, and all other people, and I don't know why.
Be shy.
Ng anak mo.
Oo, first time ko lang narinig yung galing mo, ha? Galing.
Manang-mana sa nanay niya.
Oo, sa kanya nagmana. Galing. So, sobrang charming niya, di ba? Guys, di ba sobrang pogi ni Anthony? I am so proud of you, and thank you so much for raising Anthony, of course. But for now, I just want to tell you na, ang galing mo. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
How does it feel seeing your dad right now?
I really didn't know parang ano talaga yung dapat kong maramdaman. Kasi nung first nakita ko yung tatay ko, parang hindi ko maiiwas na he's my blood. And kahit parang stranger siya sa akin, I see so much of myself in him.
Si God kasi may mga ways yan di ba? So dati, hindi natin mapipilit yung mga bagay na wala pa doon At least now, andito na siya, everything's okay, and maybe from there, alam mo magkaayos-ayos ang lahat, di ba?